Body cameras were supposed to solve police accountability. I wore one for the last decade of my career. Let me tell you what actually happened. What works? Body cameras reduce complaints. Both officers and civilians behave better when they know they're recorded. That's real. What doesn't work? Cameras don't prevent bad policing. They just record it. Here's what people miss. Camera footage gets interpreted through existing beliefs. Same video, different conclusions. Pro-police people see compliance failure. Critics see excessive force. The camera didn't create truth, it just captured ambiguity. Plus, not all cameras are on all the time. Battery life, privacy concerns, policy gaps. Officers forget to activate. Footage gets lost. Body cameras are a tool, not a solution. They work when the culture supports accountability. When the culture doesn't, the footage just becomes evidence in a fight over interpretation. I supported body cameras, still do. But after a decade wearing one, I learned technology doesn't replace training, culture change, or accountability systems. It helps, but it's not magic. Let's lower the temperature.